Alright, so on my Skidoo that I bought, the windshield obviously had been broken off. They're supposed to have these little tabs all the way along here, and they've been broken off over time, probably rolling over, who knows what. So I wanted to see if there's another way I could fasten the windshield that looked a little better than just screws going through it. So I decided to I needed something that could grip around the outside of the window and then fit into the original spots where these clips went. So I was at the hardware store and I found some shingle starter strip for your roof, which has a nice little channel already bent into it. And from there, I painted them, but I matched up to on my snowmobile to the original tabs that are already in. That'll slide down in there. We'll put the one on the other side, and then we'll put the window on, see how it fits. So there's the brackets installed, and windshield's back on. Should be good, nice and solid. And hopefully that idea helps somebody. I think it looks better than just some other methods I've seen. So, and the starter strip at the hardware store is like $10 for 10 feet. So you got plenty. So it's not an expensive project at all. And I just used metal screws that went through both sides and sandwiched the windshield. That's it.